Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today we're gonna be installing the High Pro High Kick spoiler on my G80 M3. Of course, I got it in carbon fiber, and I got it supplied from Gary over at Suvneer, man. So definitely shout out to the Suvneer team over there. And if you are interested after I install it and you like it, it'll be linked down below where you can get yours. All right. So let's go ahead and get to the install of this carbon fiber spoiler. Let's get it. All right, everyone, so as you can see on this table here, this is what the spoiler looks like. And just give you some close-ups there. You can see the carbon fiber weave. I did already ceramic this as well, so that's why it's got that nice gloss shine on it. But the spoiler looks pretty good, man. Taking a step back there, spoiler looks good and definitely gonna look good on the car. So let me go ahead and get to the install. All right, everyone, so as you can see right here, just taking the heat gun, going around this actual spoiler. You don't want to focus in one spot for too long because you can damage the paint. All right, everyone, so as you can see right here, I've already applied the heat. So now I'm gonna take some twine, or you can use fishing line. And you're gonna kind of want to go underneath here and then kind of want to pull up and take this actual lip off. And you kind of, as you guys can kind of see right here, I'm pulling up as I'm going through. All right. That right there came through pretty easy. So just trying to take my time. This area right here probably can use some more heat. So apply some more heat right here. All right, guys, so as you see, we're back, and I just applied tape to the car because I got the idea from Matt that I probably should put tape down just in case, just for safety reasons. I don't want to damage the paint. But as you can see so far, we've gotten this much up. What I'm gonna do to assist in that is put this right here just to apply some pressure. So it'll kind of help me get the rest of this off. All right, so now we just got a twine there. All right, so that broke. I mean, so because that broke so quick, I'm gonna take my time. Probably going a little too fast. Almost there. All right, the wing is off. Nice. All right, everyone, so as you can see right here, I have a drill, and this right here is kind of like a rubber wheel, which really assists in getting like the 3M tape residue left on the car off. So you definitely want to use this. It's a lot better than using your thumb, all right? So we can go ahead and use this to get this off. You kind of just want to kind of go over the spots like that. You don't want to concentrate too hard on one spot because you don't want to damage your paint. So most of the 3M tape has been removed. So now at this point, the rest of it, you know, it's pretty simple. As you see right here, I'm just rubbing it and it's coming off. So what I'm gonna do right now is just clean this up a little bit. And then I'll be back once I am finished cleaning all this up. All right, everyone, so the actual lip is off, and the car actually doesn't look that bad without the lip on it. Y'all let me know what y'all think. It actually doesn't look that bad, man. Doesn't look that bad at all, but everything's off. So this is one thing you have to think about whenever you do a lip like this that kind of stick to the back. It doesn't replace the stock location. All right, guys, so if you see the trunk right here, You can kind of see it right there. There's a little bit of a line right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. The camera's picking up, but I can see it. There's a little bit of a line right here, and it's because this part has been paint corrected and ceramic, and this hasn't, because this was covered. So I'm gonna have to get one of my buddies to probably treat this part, and then probably have to re-ceramic the whole hood now. I mean, re-ceramic the whole trunk, maybe, or we can buff this out and get this line gone, get the paint more evened out. But that is something you do have to consider if you have your car already treated. You're gonna see the paint difference between these two, so that's something you got to think about. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw the new lip on, and we'll see how it goes. All right, everyone, so I got the 3M tape applied to the back of the lip spoiler. As you can see there, I got it all the way from edge to edge, and we're gonna go ahead and apply it. So I'm gonna make sure it's even on both sides, peel a little bit of the edges off, and then we'll go ahead and apply it. All right, everyone, so as you can see right here, I peeled off a little bit of edges, so when you apply it, after you get everything in place, you can just pull that off, make it a little easier. All right, everyone, you see I'm just pushing against it. Want to hold it in place, make sure it doesn't go anywhere. And if it does fly off, I still got the stock one.
That's why he's about to go test it after. Do 160. And if it doesn't fly off.
1.6.
Oh,
200.
We are installed, baby. All right, everyone, so as you can see, I'm back in the car right now. I think the carbon fiber lip spoiler looks great, man. So again, special shout out to Your Empire for letting me use the shop. Special shout out to the team over at Suvneer for sending this out. And I'll be having it linked down below in case you guys want to pick this spoiler up. So man, I really like it. Carbon fiber meshes with the rest of the carbon fiber theme I got going on. So we're gonna be bringing y'all some more and more carbon. I got some more pieces I gotta put on, and I got some more stuff coming, man. Trying to get ready for BMW Invasion. All right, so if you like this video, hit that like button, please subscribe. Thank you for all the support I've gotten so far, and we're gonna keep this build going. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna holler at you guys later. Peace.